Are you looking for a way to tap into the power of nature through holy basil? Look no further. Get ready to know how it can improve your overall health, from boosting immunity to reducing stress and anxiety. We'll uncover the secrets of an Ayurvedic treatment used for centuries to bring people closer to a healthier way of life. Join us on a journey through the history, science, and spirituality behind holy basil. So don't miss out on these goodies. Watch now. Here are the best health benefits of holy basil. 1. Boosts immunity against cold and flu. One of the most significant benefits of holy basil is its ability to treat cold and flu symptoms. This herb contains potent anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties that help fight against viral and bacterial infections. Consuming holy basil tea during illness can reduce fever, cough, and congestion. It is rich in antioxidants that protect the body from free radical damage and inflammation while promoting healthy cellular function. Holy basil acts as an immune booster by increasing the production of white blood cells, which helps to fight infections. It strengthens the body's natural defense against respiratory infections like colds and flu. Moreover, holy basil contains compounds that reduce fever, ease coughs, clear mucus, and improve respiratory function. Furthermore, holy basil can help reduce inflammation during illness or stress. 2. Reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. This herb contains adaptogenic compounds that help the body cope with physical and emotional stresses. Holy basil helps regulate cortisol levels, a hormone responsible for our fight-or-flight response. By reducing cortisol levels, holy basil can help alleviate symptoms associated with anxiety and depression. Research suggests that holy basil can reduce anxiety and depression by increasing serotonin and dopamine production in the brain. These neurotransmitters are responsible for regulating mood and emotions. Holy basil's ability to reduce stress can improve mental health conditions such as PTSD, OCD, and bipolar disorder. In addition to its calming effects on the mind, holy basil also has physical benefits. It can promote healthy sleep patterns and improve overall cognitive function. These properties make it a valuable tool for treating insomnia and other sleep disorders that come with anxiety. Including holy basil in your daily routine may help manage stress and maintain mental wellness. Whether consumed as tea or taken in supplement form, this herb's natural properties offer numerous benefits for those looking to reduce stress and anxiety. 3. Aids digestion. Another incredible benefit of holy basil is that it enhances digestion. Holy basil features compounds like eugenol and methyl eugenol that help improve digestion by increasing the secretion of digestive enzymes. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the gut and prevent gastrointestinal problems like bloating, gas, and constipation. Moreover, carminative compounds in holy basil make it an effective natural remedy for digestive issues. These compounds help to reduce stomach spasms and relieve mild gastrointestinal discomfort. Its ability to balance the gut flora by promoting beneficial bacteria's growth can improve digestion and prevent digestive disorders caused by harmful bacteria. Additionally, holy basil acts as an adaptogen, a substance that helps the body adapt to stressors, which can reduce stress-related digestive issues such as acid reflux and stomach ulcers. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your digestion and overall gut health, consider adding holy basil to your daily routine. Whether you consume it as tea or add its leaves to salads or soups, this herb is a safe and effective way to support a healthy gut function while enjoying its delicious flavor at the same time. 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. High blood sugar levels can lead to several health problems, such as diabetes, heart disease, and kidney damage. Holy basil contains compounds like eugenol and methyl eugenol that have antidiabetic properties. These compounds work by increasing insulin secretion, which helps the body utilize glucose more efficiently. It is also rich in antioxidants that prevent oxidative stress caused by high blood sugar levels. Additionally, holy basil can lower cortisol levels in the body. Cortisol is a stress hormone that can cause an increase in blood sugar levels when released in excess. By reducing cortisol levels, holy basil helps to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Furthermore, studies suggest that holy basil extract can improve lipid metabolism and reduce cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes, so keeping cholesterol levels in check may also regulate blood sugar levels. This herb could benefit you if you have diabetes or are at risk of developing it. 5. Supports weight loss. Studies have found that holy basil regulates blood sugar levels by reducing insulin resistance and promoting the use of glucose for energy. This process prevents the body from storing excess glucose as fat. Additionally, holy basil contains compounds that can help boost metabolism and promote fat burning. These compounds work together to increase thermogenesis, the process by which the body burns calories to generate heat. As a result, consuming holy basil can help burn more calories throughout the day, leading to gradual but sustainable weight loss. If you're looking for a natural and effective way to support your weight loss goals, consider adding holy basil to your diet. It regulates blood sugar levels, prevents excess fat storage, boosts metabolism, and promotes fat burning. Incorporating this herb into your routine can lead to long-term weight management success while benefiting other aspects of your health. 6. It's an excellent remedy for gum disease and bad breath. According to studies, tulsi has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help prevent the growth of bacteria responsible for gum disease and bad breath. This herb kills bacteria by disrupting their cell walls and inhibiting their ability to produce harmful toxins. When you use holy basil as a remedy for gum disease, ensure you chew on fresh leaves or apply oil derived from the leaves onto your gums. The oils penetrate deep into the roots of your teeth, killing off any bacteria in your mouth. Additionally, it acts as an effective breath freshener and deodorizer due to its aromatic compounds. Holy basil is a natural remedy with many health benefits that can curb common dental problems like gum diseases and bad breath. Adding this herb to your daily oral care routine or chewing on its leaves can improve your oral hygiene. Nonetheless, consult a dentist before self-medicating because some underlying dental conditions might require professional treatment instead of relying on home remedies alone. 7. Kills cancerous cells. One of the most significant benefits of holy basil is preventing cancer. Research suggests that the herb has anti-cancer properties and can help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. Studies have found that holy basil contains phytochemicals, such as eugenol, rosmarinic acid, and apigenin, which possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds work together to inhibit the development of cancer cells by suppressing inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. They also induce apoptosis, which is programmed cell death that helps eliminate damaged or abnormal cells from the body. Furthermore, holy basil can reduce the side effects of chemotherapy and radiation therapy in cancer patients. Its antioxidant properties protect healthy cells from damage caused by these treatments while enhancing their effectiveness against cancerous cells. Finally, incorporating holy basil into one's diet can be a beneficial step towards reducing the risk of developing cancer while promoting overall health and well-being. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 8 incredible health benefits of fennel seeds. Thanks for watching and bye for now.